Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to walk you through how to perfectly set up your Excel sheet for printing.
So here is the screen, guys. If you want to print, either there are two options: control P, control plus P, or you can go to file and click on here print. Now take a look at the preview. If your content is getting cut off or spread across pages, that's a sign we need to fix the layout. We can do it with the help of page setup. So go to the page setup. From here you can switch between portrait or landscape and adjust scaling. If your content just spills over little, try fit to one page, or if by page and page all is one. So here is the margins if you want to set up. And now you can see here the content is coming over like this. So if you want it in center, just click on horizontal and vertical. It will come like this. Now just click on OK. It will be ready for you for printing. Here you can see the page review, print review. Now go back is another one more way that is very beautiful. Just click on this page break preview. So you can see this, my data is coming till here. So if you want to expand this till scale 2, you will get print till here. Now if you want to print till here, you can just drag the line. Now click on Control P from your keyboard. Now you can see the preview here, the image including image also coming. That's what we have selected. Now click on page setup. Now go to margins. It is okay. Now sheets, if anything that you want from respective to row and column from the sheet, now you can select and you can print that much of area. And header and footer, it will help you when when you have data is in lengthy and you want that header into the next page while taking printout. So from here you can select custom header and you can mention this or the headers also here, page number of pages. Okay, so it will come like this. If you want to see the preview, here is a preview. So now you can go ahead and print. Now we have selected one page, so it is coming like this. and, and that's how you prepare and print your Excel report like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment if you want a video on specific Excel topic. That's all, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.